Hello YouTube, I got an unboxing for y'all, so let's get on into it. Okay y'all, I'm back. So that speed up will probably be only like 30 seconds for y'all, but I want to finally show y'all my inspired pads. So this is what the pads look like, y'all. So this is the Cherish Day. These are the Cherish Day pads right here. Ooh, let me get in focus. So that's the Cherish Day pad. Okay, my light is very sensitive, y'all. Here is the Cherish Night pad right here. Once again, zooming in for y'all. Excuse me for the light and adjusting to this because it's such a white background, so it's readjusting the light to enhance on the product. So excuse me if my skin tone keeps just jumping up and out and up and out. Let me see. So another day use. And then I got two panty liners. So that's one and that's two. These are the same product. Now as far as the overnight, unfortunately they did give me this notice right here. So this pretty much says one of my products is on back order. Y'all are loving the overnight pad so much that it's on back order. So I do not have that one to show for y'all. But we're going to get into these right here. So pretty much what separates these from, let's say, your other name brands. You know, legal reasons we can't name specific brands, but you know, there's one that starts with a K that reminds you of Texas, honey. Y'all remember that one, honey. But anyways, compared to that brand, compared to one that says not sometimes but the opposite will permanently keep you dry, we're going to do some comparisons to those types of pads. We're also going to compare it to some dollar pads, you know, from your local dollar store. Now, I will say the dollar store starts with the letter F. So y'all go and run with that and guess which pads I'm about to compare. But anyways, these are supposed to be all mostly natural for the most part. Cotton at the top layer, whereas most other ones are made with a form of plastic, you know, the cheaper ones. Now I know some other ones have cotton with them, so we're going to compare the cotton on other ones, but most of them are made with plastic and recycled wood fibers. Like, I did my research on that and was looking at the videos. I was like, oh my goodness, is this what women are putting on their bodies? And I said, oh, recycled wood, recycled trash, and then they bleach it to get white, whereas ours is naturally white from the cotton that we use. So like I said, we got 4 different ones. Also another benefit is it holds up to 300 times its weight of moisture. I'm going to do a moisture test, compare it to not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 different of your leading brands, because I think you got to make a fair comparisons. I keep seeing all the videos where it just compares to one brand, and I'm thinking like, that person can say, okay, that looked like that might be a such and such pad. I don't use that pad anyway. I use this. So I wanted to compare it to 4 different levels of pads to give a good generalized, you know, synopsis of how our Cherish pads compare to all the leading brands. So look out for that video very soon. If I can't get it done today, it will probably be done Monday, which means it will be uploaded Tuesday. So definitely by Tuesday y'all will see that video. And I'll probably upload it to both my beauty channels. To my beauty channel and my business channel. So we're going to go ahead and open up one pad to show y'all what it looks like. Oh, I like how it's just so easy just to open right here. I mean, don't got to do no ripping or nothing. So this is what the inside is going to look like. And I'm going to take one of these out. And ta-da! This, yeah, surprisingly, this is your day pad. It's substantially smaller, right? And like I said, I'm going to open this up when I do my comparison video, but already you can just tell by the size of this. It's already substantially smaller than the pad that you're probably using, yet it can hold up to 300 times its weight in moisture. So it can outdo all your other pads that you currently got in your sisters, your aunties. Once I show y'all the comparisons, it's going to freak you out so much that you're going to be going to the site to buy this. Even the way that it is packaged is more sanitarily healthy for you, because you got to take this off to get to the pad, versus, you know, your other pad you put in your purse or whatever, it's big and bulky, it got the cookie crumbs and everything else. You know, you might have some peanuts or whatever in your bag, and you know, all of that is in your darn on stuff. Little dust debris is in your pad. Now you got to shake it off and all of that to use it. Just unsanitary. And then you putting that on your body, and then it also is laced with darn on potential dioxin. It is darn on bleach. It's causing your darn on pH to be off, because it's made with all those chemicals that's not between 4.5 to 6.5. You know, your skin supposed to be anywhere from 4.5, not 6.5, 4.5 to 6.2. Now, your hair can be 4.5 to 5.5. Little cosmetology knowledge for y'all. But your darn on pads are throwing off your pH. It's darn on suffocating your darn on vag area. And you wonder why you're smelling during the time of the month. Because it doesn't have breathable space in here. Just with this alone, you're going to see that ours have little micro holes in it. That way it allows for your personal area to be ventilated. Also reduces bacteria. Got a negative ion strip in here as well, which is supposed to help, you know, calm down inflammation. That's very good for, you know, that time of the month. Also during general cramps in general. And I found out something new. This can be used for women with menopause too, because of the darn on ion technology and calming down inflammation, and also being able to treat, you know, your mood to a certain extent. This is also good for people who are going through menopause. So don't think because you no longer have a menstrual cycle that you cannot use this. And then, I mean, of course, you can also use the Cherish liners as well. Because obviously, if you're not using it for the purpose of a period, you'll probably want the Cherish. So we got something for everybody. So this is for your light periods, to, you know, people who are postmenopausal. This is for women who are still flowing, or, you know, maybe heavy leakers. You might have menopause, but you are a very heavy leaker as far as, you know, sneezing. You know, you might accidentally, you know, go to number 1. So, I can't wait to test this out. So, that is it, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all a 10-minute darn overview of what these pads are. I know y'all been hearing me for the past week now on Instagram. I was like, I know y'all was like, Juan, can we see what they look like? You've been darn hitting to us. You've been darn giving us the Instagram post. If you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram will be down below, LaJuan Glastonbury. I have been posting this every other day on my Instagram. I've been posting about every other day on my Facebook. Once again, my Facebook down below as well is LaJuan Glastonbury. So now y'all finally see the product. This is why I fell in love with it. I mean, the fact that it's more sanitary for you. It's so thin that you can put in, you know, your hand purse. I mean, your little, you know, a clutch. This thing is small enough to put in a clutch, versus your big old bulky pad where you got to put in a big old handbag. Nobody got time for that. And then it's like the awkwardness of it in your thing, versus, honey, this is more incognito as far as, you know, being in your bag. If somebody searching through, you know, your girl pal searching through your bag, probably overlook this, probably think it's a napkin or something. So just off of the darn on presentation alone is darn on impressive. But all the benefits that it comes with, it can reduce your menstrual cycle up to 2 days. Can darn on relieve your darn on menstrual cramps. Definitely is dioxin free, so you don't have to worry about potential cervical cancer. So just off of all the benefits that this pad offers, not even getting into what it, the moisture level that it holds compared to all your leading brands. Just off of the benefits, it's worth every bit of just $5. I mean, actually worth more, but you get it only for $5. I know y'all was thinking with all this that is promising, you was thinking that this thing was going to cost you $15, $20 and be high price out of market. No, it's $5 and you get a set of 10 in here. Let me see. Yeah, these are 10 pads in this one. Now, your Cherish panty liners, this actually comes in a set of 30 for $5. So, for my lighter flowers, postmenopausal, you get 30 pads in here for $5. So, 30 in the panty liners. In the Cherish Night, you get 8 pads for $5. So, that's equivalent to, what's that, about 80 cents each? 80 or 90, 90 times 8. I'm trying to think how much is that per pad. I definitely know 30 pads for $5. That's what? Darn on only. That's about 16 cents a pad. This is 16 cents a pad, equivalent to what you're already purchasing in the darn on store. But you don't have to worry about all the negative side effects of throwing off your pH balance. You don't no longer have to worry about bacteria. No longer have to worry about yeast infections. No longer have to worry about backflow of your darn on flow going back in because your pad got all that moisture and it's just rubbing up against your darn on private parts, just going right back in because it's not properly absorbing. It's just so much that I have to break down. I went to the store yesterday and brought 4 different pads. So check out my my personal page to see if those pads, like I said, legal reasons, we cannot make accurate comparisons. But I would say that the pads that I will have on my page today is a pretty high chance that they might be a part of the video. But I won't tell y'all which pads are necessarily which, but just note that there's a very high chance that those pads that I'm going to showcase on my Facebook page are more likely going to be part of the video. So that is it, y'all. Any additional tips, comments, questions, suggestions, leave it down below. My previous videos on my beauty channel, I will leave down below as well. Also, my email address, you can contact me. My shuffle card is down below to give you more information on Cherish. And I will see y'all soon. Mwah.